rocking around Christmas tree on a red line. Magandang araw mga kanutan! Another video and another guitar tutorial. Song by Miley Cyrus, Rockin' Around. So, let's go! Alright, a song by Miley Cyrus, Rockin' Around. So, meron siyang chords na G, D, B minor, C, Eagle minor, and A minor. Anim lang na chords. So, yung original is G sharp siya. Yan. Bar chords. So, kailangan natin ng capo in the first fret. So, magiging G na siya. Yan. So, yung intro niya, G. Then sa verse na chords, meron siyang G at saka D. Yan, dalawa lang. Rockin' around, you see on da 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 and then sa chorus niya, meron, refrain, meron siyang C. Ito, ganito. Da 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 D minor. Eagle minor. Da 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 A minor. Da 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 da. Christmas tree on Christmas light. Thank you so much and God bless.